Hello, I'm going to talk about molar mass and Avogadro's number. Now, the molar mass is the mass of 1 mole worth of a substance. And 1 mole worth of a substance is equal to this number here, a very large number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. This is like saying a dozen is equal to 12. A mole is equal to this. And it explains it a little bit more here, but we're going to go through how to actually calculate the molar mass. And I'm going to do a couple of examples. So I have a molecule, water, H2O. I want to write in what my atoms are. So H, looking on the periodic table, is hydrogen. And O, looking on the periodic table, is oxygen. Then we want to know how many of each there are. And if I look at the hydrogen there, the 2 to the bottom right tells me that I have 2 hydrogens. No number to the bottom right of oxygen tells me that I just have 1. Now we're going to calculate the mass of each of these. So I have 2 hydrogens, so 2 times the mass of hydrogen is the number on the bottom of this square in the periodic table. Down here it says 1.008. Now everyone does it a little bit differently, but one of the standards is to round to 2 decimals. So I'm going to round this to, I'm going to round it up to 1.01. And for oxygen, I have 1. I only have 1 of them. I'm going to multiply that, oxygen here, the mass number at the bottom, is 15.999. And if I round that, that actually can go to 16. So 2 times 1.01 is 2.02. 1 times 16 is 16. Now I want to add these numbers together, and that gives me 18.02. This is the molar mass of water molecules. So this is the amount in grams that would be in 1 mole of water. Let's do another one. So we're going to go to the second page for this one. Oops, I have that here. And let's do this molecule, C2H4O2. So what atoms do I have? I have carbon, which is here. How many do I have? I have 2. So 2 times the mass of carbon, if I round that, that's 12.01. And then I have hydrogen is H. Quantity 4. So 4 times, and my mass on the hydrogen is, remember we're rounding it to 1.01. And then finally, I have my oxygen. I have 2 of them. So 2 times the mass of oxygen, which we rounded to 16, equals 24.02 equals 4.04 equals 32. Now I'm going to add all these together. When I do that, 32 plus 4.04 plus 24.02 equals 60.06. That is the molar mass of that particular molecule. All right, I hope this helps.